I'm Janet Decay the Mummy.
And I'm Grimm Gorri the Monkey.
And together we host
The Mummy and the Monkey's Hairy Scary Hangout!
Friday nights on Facebook Live.
Well, that was interesting.
Whoa.
Wow.
Good morning, guys. It is Monday, August 31st, and it's about 8:30 in the morning. I pulled all the orders from the weekend. I have 11 things to pack up. I think I pulled most of them. And I'm going to show off some, or show off, that doesn't sound right. I'm going to share some sold, not a lot of crazy sales, but I'm still grateful for the sales nonetheless. And I apologize in advance. This listing packing table is a mess. I've got a lot of boxes and stuff here that I need to organize and clean up. I'm in the eBay dungeon here, the eBay basement. So this is a Coach, like a work bag, like a mini briefcase bag. It could also be used as a purse. It's all leather. It's from the 70s. And it has the original Coach Creed, the Coach tag. And I bought this actually a couple years ago. I paid, I think, $30 for it, and it sold for $68. I was hoping it would go for more. But it says Coach made in New York City, USA, and it ends in 0227 is the registration number. But yeah, $68. But yeah, I was hoping it went for more. I think originally I had this priced at closer to $100, and as time went on, I just lowered the price, hoping someone would bite and it would sell. And it did sell, so yay. Okay, these I picked up from an estate sale, I think last summer, and I had them listed almost a year. The waist size is 32. It's 100% polyester. It still has the old May Company tag. In the 70s from May Company, they wanted $20 for them. And they're Adidas little men's, they're men's short shorts. Like 70s little tennis shorts. They do have some discoloration because over time, white fabric just doesn't stay white. It ends up looking a little dingy. But these did sell for $29.99. I think I paid $1 or $2 for these at an estate sale. They were mixed in with like some ladies' pajamas and lingerie. So $29.99, not bad for vintage little short shorts. I just love the old tags, the old logos, and May Company. That is cool. These are, this little guy was in the shoe. These are Champion safety step shoes. They're slip resistant. They're leather sneakers. They're size 5 in ladies. They're very small. And I think that's why they took a while to sell. I don't think many people have small feet like that. But these are, they're like those shape-up shoes where they're kind of curved. But they're also slip resistant. So maybe like for a restaurant worker, someone that works somewhere where they need slip resistant shoes. I know a long time ago when I was a waitress, I had to buy slip resistant shoes. So those sold for $19.99, and I think I got these at a yard sale a couple years ago. So I had these listed for a while. It took forever to sell them. This was a consignment sale. This is a Hummel, Goebel Hummel from 1998. The number is 2074A, and this is Christmas gift. And it's a little German boy with his teddy bear. Very cute. A little figurine. He went for $15 plus shipping. Now this dolly is really goofy looking. Look at that face. This is a made in Hong Kong 1960s doll. And it sold for, I think, around $25. I have to double check. But this is actually going to Japan through eBay's global shipping program. And these little 1960s, like the Hong Kong, the big-eyed dolls, the funny faces that they make, some of those are collectible. So yeah, I mean, 20-something bucks for this little guy, that's pretty cool. And I think I might have got him at a flea market. Because I've had some of these guys listed for a while, it's hard to say. Like, I'm having trouble remembering where I even bought them. But I'm just happy that it sold because I was like, what am I going to do, you know? sometimes I think, well, maybe I should run a sale, but even if you lower the price, there's times where it just doesn't help. If someone finds the item and they want to buy it, then they buy it, but... okay, and then this was a best offer. This is $60. It's a Skipper doll outfit. Let me pull up what it is real quick on my phone. I'm trying to remember the name of it, but it's part of a Skipper doll set. And it's incomplete, but it still had enough pieces where someone wanted to buy it. Let's see. Skipper Barbie Hearts and Flowers. So Hearts and Flowers from 1967. This sold for $60 shipped, and the number of that set is 1945. It has the hat, the little top, her little school books, and then the little yellow shoes. So this fits a Skipper doll. And this goes for $60. So those are great because they're so easy to ship. I love the little dolly pieces. Here's another dolly. She's what they call a Barbie clone. She's not a real Barbie doll, but she did sell for $4. And moving forward, I don't think I will buy stuff like that just to sell for $4. I mean, it'd have to be like 10 to 15 and up. But I think she was probably part of a doll lot that I bought a long time ago. Sometimes the thrift stores, you could buy a baggie of dolls for like $3 or $4. So I'm not sure where she came from. But hey, $4 and she's leaving the house. Bye! Here's some shoes, some ladies' shoes. These are Salvatore Ferragamos. If you could tell, they're, you know, they've got some wear. They've been used. They're size 8. They're little slip-on, like driving shoes, driving mocks, and the soles are pretty decent on them. Someone bought them for $25. I had them for $35, and a lady emailed me asking if I would take a $25 offer. So I did send out an offer to her, and they are now gone. And I might have paid $3 or $4 for these at maybe the Value World. There's a store that's in our area called Value World, and sometimes I would pick up shoes from that store. So yeah, $25, not too bad. And then I've got some breakables here, some more breakables that are on consignment through my consignment clients. And my last live video where I showed some solds had some more cool breakable pieces too. But this is a cockatoo made by Lennox from 1991. Really cute. Has one tiny chip on the top here, and I did note that in the listing. So it did sell for $16 plus shipping. It would have gone for a little bit more, maybe $20, $25, but because of that little chip, I was okay with selling it at a lower price. I was just happy that it sold. And with my consignment clients, this one in particular, well, I have two in particular. After the fees, then we split the money. So, and some of the items are small dollar, some are high dollar. It's all over the place, but I try to list everything that I can. Because, hey, a sale's a sale, right? Alright, Beswick Ware Squirrel Nutkin. This is from, what's that thing called? Oh, Beatrix Potter. Beatrix Potter, those little storybooks with the animals. There was like Peter Rabbit and Peter Cottontail? No, Peter Rabbit. All the cute little woodsy animals. This is the little squirrel. And it's numbered 1278. And this sold for $19.99. It looks like when you look up this character, the little squirrely, they go for like between $15 to $25. I put this one up for $20 and it sold within a few hours. And it is really cute. Very, very cute. So another consignment piece. Alright, I think those are all my sales for right now. I did do a lot of sharing on Poshmark, but so far have not sold anything on Poshmark over the weekend. I had a few sales from the Poshmark app last week, and then I think last week I had one Mercari sale, but at the same time, like, I don't list as much on those apps. I do most of my listing on my eBay store. Okay, so I did hit up a store after I packed up all my orders this morning. I went to Southland Liquidations, in Middleburg Heights, Ohio, and it's pretty much an Amazon return pallet type of store, like a bin store. But I guess they buy up pallets from other merchandisers too, and I got all of this sterling silver jewelry for sterling silver jewelry and this Monday bag, brand new with the tag, for $22 with tax. So these are sterling silver here, sterling silver and turquoise, and they're marked, 925 BC, so I don't know what the artist is. I'm trying to remember the name of that little guy, but it's some like native design. But they're cool. They're box chain. It's a sterling box chain, and the box chain is marked made in Italy. So I paid $3 each for these. So 1, 2, 3, 4 necklaces total, and then a couple pairs of sterling earrings. I'm not sure if the gemstones are real. They look it to me. Not real diamonds, because these are kind of cheapy, but probably rhinestone and amethyst, or rhinestone and aquamarine. But they're pretty little earrings, and I thought these could be good for Poshmark. Maybe I could put them up for like 15, 20 bucks each. And, for $3 a piece, it's good. And there's some room after fees where I'm still making a little something on it. And they're small, they're easy to ship. It's a great, like, little gifty item. With the holidays coming up, fall's around the corner. Christmas will be here eventually. And yeah, that's a cute little gift thing. And then this bag, I did not research yet, but I remember that brand. I think I may have sold a Monday bag before for about 20 bucks. I'm trying to remember, but for $3, and it's brand new sealed, so I thought I would give it a try. It's like a wristlet, wallet, little purse thing. So that is my haul for today. I'm not venturing out much. We go to the thrift store maybe once every 2 weeks, once a week tops. And just limiting our outings with all this crap going on. We're just trying to be careful. So we did go to the flea market yesterday, and I did pick up a few things, and it was all outdoors, and most people were good and had their masks on. Okay, so these are some things that I bought at the flea market yesterday. I went to the Berea flea market, and it's all outdoors for right now. I think if they were to have it inside, I may not go because of this whole, ew, that's a hair, because of this whole pandemic thing. But I am liking the outdoor part of it. I picked this up for $1. 100 years of what? Magic? Walt Disney World. It's new in the box. It looks like it just needs a battery to get it working. So that's cool. This watch I paid $5 for. This is Paul Frank. Paul Frank was really popular in the 90s and early 2000s. He had that monkey design. So it's like a fashion designer watch. I'm not sure if this is men's or women's because of the pastel colors. So I guess it could be like a unisex watch, whoever wants to wear it. I paid $5, and I think it just needs a battery. And look how much it used to be, $170. Crazy. Because it's more trendy and kind of cutesy, I will get it working and see if I could put it on Poshmark. I think most of these watches I might try Poshmark on because I've sold some watches on there in the past. I just don't sell a lot of watches on eBay. This is a Fossil ladies watch, and it has a pink pearl kind of shiny face and a pink leather wristband there. But it's a little dirty. I think it needs cleaned, and then again, it's going to need a battery. I did order some watch batteries off of eBay. So whatever watches I can get working, I can get them listed. Now this is made by Avon, and I don't normally buy Avon stuff because it's really not worth crap. But it's unique. It's a brooch, and then it's a watch, and then it has these cherubs on it, and it's like really different. So for $1 I grabbed it because it's so unique that maybe someone would want it. And it's kind of got that weird, like that bright gold color. Alright, now this is fun. This is really fun. Woo! This is a vintage bottle opener. You could tell it has some age to it. I paid $3 for this, and I just thought it was funny. She's got it going on there. But yeah, vintage bottle opener for $3. It's a little naughty, a little cute, a little funny. This is an address book. I paid $5 for this, and it looks like they only go between 10 and 15. So looking back, I probably should not have bought it. But in the past, I sold some larger versions of this for like $20, $25. So without looking it up, I'm like, well, for $5, I'll give it a try. So it's a tiny, like a purse-sized address book. Alright, so this is a vintage Timex watch. It looks very 80s. It does need cleaned up. I need to see if it works. It takes a 377 battery. I ordered a bunch of batteries, so once I get more in, I can, like, have fun playing around with these. This is a Timex wind-up watch, and it does work. It's still ticking. I wound it yesterday and it's still ticking, and it says water resistant. This is one I might keep for myself because I like some of those old wind-up watches. I just think they're cool. And I don't know, some wind-up watches are very collectible and worth money. Some aren't. So if I pick them up for like $1, it's not a big deal. If I buy it and it's not worth much. Sometimes you could lot these up, like if you have 5 of them, 10 of them, you could lot them up and put them on auction, and people like to tinker with them and buy them. This has like a gold and clear face. It has like a gold leaf face, and the brand is Manson. This is another wind-up watch. Was this one working? Ooh, it's ticking. It's still ticking, so that's cool. Manson. I've never heard of that brand before, but it says Swiss made. And it's an old leather watch band. Okay, this one I couldn't find anything on. It has a weird name. Well, weird to me. I believe it's a German brand of watch. Reuschlein. Reuschlein. I tried to wind it. I couldn't get it to work, and it is dirty. I need to wash it. But so, I mean, German, Swiss, some of those like European watches could be good. This is Sarah Coventry here, and I think it has a diamond accent on the face. It says Sarah Coventry Supreme. I know Sarah Coventry's vintage costume jewelry has a following, and people do buy it. It's not high dollar stuff, but people do like it. So this is one of those again where if I put a battery in it and get it working, someone might like it for 10 or 20 bucks. SRS26SW. Okay, that's another 377. Cool. So yeah, I ordered a bunch of those, and 377 is the most common watch battery. So if you ever need to get a watch or get a battery, most of the time, most watches will take that one. And you can usually tell by the number on the back, and you could Google that number to check the conversion. So, there's my haul. It was a small flea market haul. Not like a lot going on there. They didn't really have a lot at the flea market either. I wasn't seeing a lot of stuff for me. But hopefully you guys liked the video. And if you do like it, remember to give the video a like, hit subscribe. We do appreciate you, and there will be more Mummy and Monkey shows and videos and behind the scenes video like this coming up. Bye! Mwah!